Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to sign up for a Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Temu account, first you'll be required to download and install the Temu app on your phone. After installing your Temu app on your phone, guys, open your Temu app and you'll be on this kind of interface where at the bottom middle of the screen you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button. Before that, guys, make sure to validate the security verification. And after that, tap on the U button at the bottom middle of the screen. And if you have not signed in or signed up on the Temu app, this kind of interface will appear. So let's close this. Now in order to sign up for an account, let's tap on the sign in/register button over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you can sign up with your phone number. Enter your phone number over here and tap on the I agree button over here and tap on continue, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your name and your credentials on the Temu app. But you can also do that with your email, your Facebook account and your Google account. We will be continuing with the Google section, so let's tap on the Google. And after tapping on the Google, guys, this kind of interface will appear, and tap on the account which you want to use, your Gmail account, to open up a Temu account. So after tapping on that account, let's wait for it. And after a few moments, guys, you will have logged into Temu app with your Google account. You will be required to add a phone number over here later on, but I'll be just closing this, guys, for a moment. And with that being said, guys, go to the required optimizations over here and you will have signed up for an account on the Temu app. You can see, guys, currently it's my account over here which we have signed up with Google, but you can do that with phone number, email or Facebook. And with that being said, guys, this is how to sign up for Temu account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.